Hello everyone, I'm Mithun Chakravarti. In this Practicum-5 of our computer organization and architecture, we're going to evaluate the performance of the non-pipeline and pipeline execution for the given instructions. So the instruction pipelining is a fundamental performance enhancement technique used in modern processor. It improves the throughput by overlapping instruction execution stages. And in the non-pipeline processor, each instruction completes all stages before the next instruction begins. In a pipeline processor, multiple instructions are executed simultaneously at the different stages begins. So, understanding the performance difference helps the students to analyze the CPU throughput, calculate the speed up, understanding hazards and stalls, and optimize the instruction scheduling. Modern processors such as Intel Core series and AMD Ryzen use deep pipelining for higher performance. So, when we come to the coding part, here, the clear command window and workspace where CLC clears the command window and clear removes all the variables from the workspace. And input data array where data is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, where the arrays of numbers to be added. And we are finding the number of elements with the n is equal to length of data, where we are calculating the length of the given data, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we are initializing the result variable to store the sum. So in the non-pipeline process, we are using TIC to start the timer, and we are looping through each element one by one in a sequential execution to display the current element and add the element to the result. And we are stopping the timer and displaying the final result. So and we are displaying the execution time. So in the pipeline execution, we are using the clear again and initializing the data and finding the total elements and creating an array to initialize with 0 and we are starting the timer and we are same like we are looping through each element and simulating the pipeline stages and we are printing the final result using the sum of all pipelining by adding all the elements and we are stopping the timer and printing the final result. So the simple understanding is non-pipelining add numbers one by one and the pipelining is doing by the parallel stages like data is loaded into the stated first and then summed together. So this is the main difference between pipelining and non-pipelining process. Thank you.